What's going on YouTube? I wanted to talk about Bitly and the power of Bitly for brands. Okay, so if you've been following my channel, if you've been subscribed to my channel, you'll know by now that all I really pretty much do is talk about brands and building up brands, but I haven't told you one of my secret weapons for driving traffic and also being able to keep track of everything that I've been doing. So I want to put you up on this service called Bitly. It's bit.ly. I use Bitly as a tool to help me not only see where the traffic is coming from, but how much traffic I'm actually driving to all of my links. It's very important if you're an influencer, especially if you're trying to pay for ads and you're paying for like campaigns. You definitely want to know where exactly your traffic is going. So here's my Bitly links. You probably seen these. I'm just showing you how it looks on the app, but for the most part, I created my own brand links. So if you click here, you can see I got the personal free account, but you can, if you have your own short link or like your own website, like I have nephew.ly. So I have nephew.ly. I bought me a .ly website. It's a website over in Libya. So I'll make a video about how to make one of those if you want one. But basically what I have done is I made a short link website so that when I create links, there'll be short links. So what I do is I take my nephew Lee and I'll like right here it says Webull, so it's nephew.ly/Webull, or anytime I'm promoting something, I create a different link that goes to that, and the free account allows you to do as much of that as you need. So I can see who clicked it, how many times it was clicked on, who clicked what, and that helps me to basically see where the traffic is coming from. Now here's the Discord chat. I'm just going to show you how this works. So on the Discord, when you can see where the referring channel is coming from, mostly YouTube. I got 343 clicks on that link from YouTube, and I put my YouTube, put this link in my description, so when people stumble across my description, they'll see, join my Discord. If you go look in the description now, it says join my Discord, and you can see the link there. Direct means that the traffic is coming directly from the link and it doesn't come from a specific source, which in this case normally would mean that people are seeing my join Discord link maybe on my website or from some unknown spot that they just happen to do it, click it from. Because I also shared it in all kinds of posts on social media and different blog posts. So the other one is Twitter. You can see from Twitter, it shows on Twitter that 18 clicks came from there. Now, as far as locations, you can see that 256 of these locations came from the United States. And then, there's a lot more traffic coming from different places. I don't know. We got 43 people from India, and then it's just like 188. Now, it just means a lot of the traffic is coming into my YouTube are coming from different countries. And at least 40% of the people who clicked the link were United States. So that's pretty good. So it lets me know that most of my traffic is United States. But if you have a worldwide channel like me, you're not going to have all your traffic coming from the same spot. Let's see, my Frozen 9 t-shirt. Let's see who's clicking that. So this is a direct click link. Most of it's coming from direct, and then most of it's United States, and then the Netherlands, and then Germany. So Germany seems to be quite a lot of clicks on most of my clicks, and that's a totally different page. So let me go and look something else. Okay, Ads Manager Pro Panel. This is on my Ads Manager Pro Panel video. This is mostly United States again. A lot of clicks from Germany as usual. I'm gonna look for something that has a lot of clicks. My stock merch, Discord welcome, we did that one. Okay, so this music, okay, it's my blog, my Instagram, my Twitter, and Tune Hype has a lot. My subscribe campaign. So these ones have a lot. These were my original ones. If somebody wanted to say my Instagram, so let's check out Instagram. You can see here I got 1,400 clicks. So a lot of those turned into followers. Traffic of 600 of them came from the United States, 173 from Germany, 73 from Philippines. Most of it's coming from YouTube. You can see that right there. It says 51% of the people who click that come from YouTube. The direct click comes from where directly to get the link from, and then a lot of it's coming from Facebook. And that's pretty good. So Yeah, so I just wanted to show you guys that that really does work. You can see how it helps. Now here's my top 10. I click that and it'll show me like top 10 for this month. I wonder if they have it where you can set, yeah, you can set, I wanted to know if you can set the time and date. I think on the website you can do that, but maybe on the app they're not letting you do it that way. But you can go to reports, you can create a report, press there. I have no reports created. I didn't really create any reports. But for the most part, guys, that's how the Bitly links work. Now I'm going to talk about why you need it and how it helps. Okay, so normally, like, okay, I got this. Let me see. Like, I got an Amazon. All right, a perfect example is Jazzy James Hotel for Booking.com. So I have a blog called CalmWindsTravel.com, and the promo link right here is so long. Here, I'm going to show you the link. So if you click that link, it takes you here, and this is the hotel that I stayed at for the video where I was trying to show people that they could get a cheap hotel room and where to get it. Now, obviously, if they click this link, I get paid because of this link right here. And I'm going to see if I can show you in the link where I get paid. So just going down and see how long this link is. Now, this AID, that's the ad ID. This 1738230 that's me. That's probably my ID code for ads. And here's my blog ID. And if you keep going, you see how long this link is? So if you see how long this link is, you could imagine that it wouldn't make any sense for me to post this and say, hey guys, you'll click this link. Now you see how long this link is? So I don't want to have the people clicking this link because it's so long of a link that people are gonna not click it, or they just think it's a scam or whatever. So I masked the link with nephew.lee/Jazzy James, which is the name of the hotel. So every time I stay at a different hotel, I'm gonna, make a report about the hotel, and then I'm gonna use that long link. I'm gonna come to Bitly and then change it to the short link, and now it's just nephew.lee/Jazzy James, which takes you to my Booking.com affiliate link. So if you can understand that that works like that, that's pretty much why I do it. And yeah, it's only gotten 3 clicks, so it is what it is, but just to show you that it does actually work that way. I've honestly done that with a lot of other things as well. Mostly the things that I promote the most are my own links. I don't really promote as many affiliate links because that's not my brand. I mean, if somebody clicks it, cool. If not, whatever. I'd rather promote my own stuff. So like the Frozen 9 tea, which takes you directly to Amazon, and you can see there's an Amazon link there. And you can go back and check the links whenever you want to make sure they're working and stuff like that. Okay, guys. So for the most part, I use Bitly to not only justify my traffic that I've been spending money on, because I mean, let's say you're spending money on traffic. Do you not want to know where it's coming from, or do you want to know where it's coming from? I want to know where it's coming from. So I spend money on traffic, and then I want to see where it's coming from. I don't want to be in the dark. Also, when I'm not paying for ads or when I'm not paying for campaigns, I want to also still see where my traffic's coming from based on my organic traffic. So it helps a lot to do that. And also with the small short links, like when I do tweets on Twitter, or when I'm trying to just drive clicks to something, I could do a viral tweet and then put the short link, and it won't be annoying because it's kind of annoying, but it's not as annoying because it's just a small link that says nephew.lee. And since I'm nephew and it's like branded, it really helps because I'm branding myself and everyone knows it's me. The YouTube channel is Millions by Nephew. My Twitter is nephew. So when they see Nephew Lee, it distills trust into the viewer or the subscriber or follower, and they would like to click it. And they don't mind clicking if they know it's yours, and they can like blame it on somebody. They don't want to click some big long link. Now, there is true that if they saw that it was an Amazon link, or they saw that it was actually Booking.com, that also has its own trust factor in itself, that people would actually trust the brand links that they're clicking. But I don't want to chance it. I just would rather put my link in there, and then I leave a disclosure or disclaimer explaining that these links are, I get paid for these if you click them, blah, 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 stuff like that, so that the FTC won't trip out. So I had that on every single video I made. I have my little disclaimer and my disclosure, because you don't want to have people clicking stuff and they don't know where it's going, and that you're getting paid for it. And it could be like a deceiving thing if you have an affiliate link where you get paid if they click it, but you have it masked under a Bitly link and it's branded by you, but then they click it and then you're getting paid for it. So I always put that in the disclaimer and let people know that, hey, any links you see here, if you click them, I'm probably going to get paid. So just so you know, that's pretty much how that goes. So long as you do that on every channel or place or thing, or as long as you have a private policy, you can keep from getting in trouble for, driving traffic to just random get paid links. As an influencer, you definitely want to make sure you follow those guidelines, because the FTC is serious about that stuff now. They're cracking down on it. There's too many people getting money, and there's like a lot of people getting duped out of their like personal information, their private information. So they're like cracking down on that, guy. So make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Let me know if you have any questions about the Bitly thing. I'm going to probably make a video about how to set the short website up. If enough people ask me to do it, then I'll make a video. If not, oh well. But make sure you guys let me know what you think about this video. Hope it helps. All right, guys.